Yeah. Crankshaft broken. Yan. Yan. Sasalpak natin dito. Sasalpak ng engine sa roller. Unit. Ay na. Working good?
Yes.
You feel a mama, so
Yeah. No that fit. Try to start the engine and then later, okay, you see the result.
okay.
Now we remove the crankshaft that was cracked and we remove it.
And then
We remove it, so now we put one new crankshaft in, but not a new one, the used one. But we put it in, so we'll see
okay.
if it's good.
We'll
or
see
not.
after this one. Maybe it's good. I know
Yeah.
this one is good.
I hope it's good.
Yeah. Must be good.
Yeah, always. It will be good.
Yeah. Don't think no good.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for watching.